When you work as a freelancer, time is literally money. Every minute you track helps you bill accurately, measure productivity, and avoid losing hours to underreporting. That means choosing the right time tracking tool is important. It needs to be easy, trustworthy, and let you work on all your devices. Two strong contenders are Clockify and Toggl Track. Both are designed for time tracking across devices, but they differ in their features, pricing, and how well they serve a freelancer's workflow. Let's start with Clockify. Clockify is known for offering an excellent free tier. Unlimited users, unlimited projects, and unlimited time tracking are supported by many freelancers. Because of this, if you're just starting out or have modest needs, you get a lot without spending money. The tool includes manual entries, timers you can start and stop, tagging, project categorization, and basic reports. It also supports mobile apps, desktop clients, and browser extensions, so you can track time whether you are at your desk, on a laptop, or working from your phone. One of the great benefits for freelancers is that Clockify offers built-in invoicing features in its paid plans. You can turn your tracked hours into bills, apply tax or discounts, and send invoices to clients, which makes billing smoother. Now let's look at Toggl Track. Toggl Track has a strong reputation for a sleek interface and smooth user experience across devices. If you use multiple platforms, say a desktop at home, a tablet on the go, a mobile device at a cafe, Toggl syncing is fast and seamless. That means less time fiddling with timers and more time doing your actual work. It supports manual entries and timers too. Toggl also offers a wide range of integrations with other apps, project management tools, communication tools, and more, which is useful if your freelance workflow spans more than just time tracking. On the flip side, its free plan is more limited. Fewer features and fewer team project advanced tools. If you only need simple tracking, it works. But if you want optional extras, like client portals or advanced analytics, you'll likely upgrade. So how do you decide which one is the best fit for you? If your priority is cost effectiveness, maximum value without spending, and you are comfortable with doing some configuration yourself, then Clockify is a strong match. It gives you unlimited tracking, basic billing, and works across devices with solid reliability. If instead, you care deeply about a refined user experience, seamless device switching, lots of integrations, and you are willing to pay for the premium workflow, then Toggl Track may be the better fit for your freelance business. Either way, you'll improve your workflow, capture more of your time, and get closer to billing accurately. The best time tracking tool is the one you actually use consistently. Pick the one you'll stick with. Good luck and happy tracking.